Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Ryan, senior instructor here at VectorVest. Always a pleasure giving these 6 p.m. videos. Now tonight's presentation, I want to keep you on the right side of the trade and on the right side of the market. If you've noticed, it's becoming harder and harder to be a bull in this market, especially over the last 30 days. So I'm going to harness the power of the VectorVest 7 software and show you exactly what's going on in the market and what to get prepared for in the upcoming weeks. Because we see the market come back, some of our proprietary indicators are showing some great opportunities on the horizon and for a great potential of a Santa rally. So let's go ahead and jump in the software. If you find yourself being an investor trying to finish 2025 strong, let's go ahead and get started. If you're ready to take control of your investing, stop guessing and start using a proven system. Try VectorVest today for just $9.95. You'll get 30 days full access to the software. #1 stock analysis tool that tells you exactly when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT to start your trial and see the difference for yourself. Here we are on the homepage of the VectorVest 7 software. We get a pulse of the market. You can see predominantly red lights across the board, the major indices in negative territory, the NASDAQ down over 1%. Not only that, look at the color guard. 2 red lights in the price column of the color guard, giving us confirmation to the downside. Now, those individuals that have utilized VectorVest in the past, have utilized it for some time, you know what I'm looking at, the MTI at 0.78. Historically, it likes to find a bottom around 0.6, and that can give us some bottom fishing opportunities in the market. That's why I'm being patient in the market, letting the market come to me. I'm not going to go out there and just try to catch a falling knife. With volatility ticking up in the markets, just take a look at top RT sectors. What industry do you see at the top of the list right now? Utility investors are getting defensive. So on that note, I am going to look at 2 stock charts this evening. The first one being a pivot play that we've been talking about on the channel for the last week or so as this trade comes to fruition on UAMY, and the other is going to be on Palantir, PLTR, which has been in a rising channel for quite some time, but something on the horizon that I see that could cause some trouble in the near term for investors. The first stock we're going to talk about this evening, UAMY, U.S. Antimony, a company I've talked about since about 80 cents. This is the critical level that I've been talking about on this channel, this trend line here, this red line, which price action found its way to yesterday morning. You can see the pivot with follow through come today. So I just want to let you know, if you're in this trade right now, we are approaching my first target, just over $8, $8.21. So if you do see an upper wick at the end of today or come Monday, some kind of rejection, just be careful of that. But as long as price action stays above this red trend line, I would be in favor of the bulls when it comes to UAMY. The second stock I wanted to talk about this evening is going to be Palantir. With so much talk about overvalued AI plays, no stock in particular that's getting more controversy than Palantir. However, investors have been able to keep Palantir in this ascending channel, pretty range bound, but since earnings, clear rejection at the top of the channel. We talked about that going into earnings. Look, we just broke the bottom end of this channel, and for the first time, because I know we tested this prior, but for the first time, the body of the candlestick is below this ascending channel. So if you're holding Palantir, yes, in my mind, I would be getting a little bit more defensive when it comes to this position. I hope everyone enjoyed tonight's presentation. I know it's pretty short and to the point. Didn't want to put out any stocks out there for you this evening just because of the market pulling back. But next week, get your shopping list ready. Watch the 6 p.m. videos as I give you great candidates to look out for on this next bottom fishing opportunity. If you did enjoy tonight's presentation, hit the like button. If you're new and you found it informative, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.